You are under arrest.
For what?
Anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Court of law will.
Yes. Yeah, move. Will you move? Sean, ma.
What's going on here?
He's refusing to be arrested, ma.
Really?
Yes, ma.
Move.
Wait, madam. You brought her to come and arrest me.
This is my boss.
Madam, wait, see. You have all of the equipment. Without a gun, I am arrested.
Already?
Yes, please. Are you?
Move, John.
Eh, what? Are you putting me in the same cell with you?
Move.
Before you say move, I will move with you. Arrest you. So arrest you. I'm moving with you.
Okay. Ẹ̀yin Sherry bó ṣe sú mi. Mo fẹ́ perform magic. So bó ṣe sú mi náà wọ́n rò pé mi lè tú ara mi without a padlock. Àbí kan bá yọ kòkòrò yẹn. Wo magic mi tí mo fẹ́ ṣe. Àìgbókú oko, àìgbókú àdá. Wọn kì í gbókú àdá. Ó mọ̀ pé wọ́n lè gbókú àdá àfi tán bá shopping náà. Ìgbà yẹn ló máa mọ̀ pé ó shopping. Wáyé mi lóde. Ó ṣe. Olórí. Ó ṣe mo dúpẹ́.